How to kill bedbugs with baking soda from your home in 3 steps. Keep in mind that one female bedbug can lay 3,000 eggs, and one egg can stay undeveloped for up to a year. That's why, bedbugs are very difficult to get rid of, and the treatment requires repetitions of several times. And its typical solution is to use a lot of chemicals. But there are several less toxic materials like baking soda that can help you to get rid of bedbug infestation effectively. Baking soda can help to kill bedbugs through dryness, that's the drying out of insects. Let us assume, you're going to cover up the entire floor surface of the rooms infested. If you can kill bedbugs from your floor surface, then you'll apply the same procedure anywhere you like to exterminate bedbugs. Now you'll need the following things. 1. Baking soda powder. 2. Vacuum cleaner. Step 1. Spread a light layer of baking soda throughout the room, and layer it from every wall to the doorways and corners wherever you feel bedbugs infested. Now keep the baking soda on the floor for an entire week, and you'll live like that. If you don't have baking soda in your home, then buy it from any nearest store. Even you can buy it online from eBay, Amazon, etc., or similar stores. Step 2. After 1 week you'll take out all the baking soda with a vacuum cleaner. Clean very well and thoroughly so that any dead bedbugs or their eggs can't remain anywhere. For taking out all the baking soda including bedbugs, their eggs, husks and dung from the carpet, you can use the special carpet cleaner. You can get better performance and work efficiently. Then you'll reapply the same process. You'll repeat this process for a whole year, and you might kill the bedbugs effectively. Similarly, you can apply baking soda on your carpet, bed mattress, and any other places you suspect infested with bedbugs. And you are done. That's all.